Earth Day Stories.
This is Our Earth by Laura Lee Benson, illustrated by John Carosa. This is our Earth to cherish and love, to clean and protect, to take care of. From the mountains so high with their rugged terrain to the valleys below and the green grassy plain. From the tall wooded forest with their towering trees. To the fish, whales, and dolphins that live in the seas. From the deserts of sand where the tall cactus grow. To the cold Arctic North with its glaciers and snow. From the rainforest where the wild parrot calls, near the swift flowing rivers and lush waterfalls. To the wide open prairies where elk can be found and thousands of prairie dogs that live underground. From the shimmering lakes where flocks of geese swim and the blue jay keeps watch from a lofty tree limb. To the farms in the country where cows graze on hay. And the parks in the cities where children play. So take a good look, and I think you will find that this beautiful earth is one of a kind. Let's do our share to lend a hand to preserve all we have in this wonderful land. This is our earth to cherish and love, to clean and protect from below and above. Our Earth by Anne Rockwell. Our Earth is where I live. It is a big, round globe. It has a frozen North Pole at the top and an icy cold South Pole at the bottom. Our Earth was shaped by water, fire, ice, and living things. It is always changing, much too slowly for us to see. Once our Earth was covered with warm water. Some dinosaurs lived in its warm and ferny swamps. Then our Earth turned cold. Huge sheets of slowly moving ice called glaciers crept across the Earth and wore rocks smooth. Glaciers are still moving in places on our Earth. The biggest pieces of land on Earth are continents. Their shorelines meet the sea. Islands are smaller pieces of land that rise up out of the sea. Some islands are born when volcanoes erupt below the sea. Hot lava cools, and over time it turns to soil where green things can grow. Some islands are coral reefs that grow and grow until they poke above the water and birds bring seeds to them. Water gushing up from the ground and rain and melted snow fills streams, ponds, and lakes. Streams flow into small rivers which flow into bigger ones. Nothing can stop water from finding its way. Some rivers dry up and stop flowing, but some empty into the salty sea. The land on our earth has rounded hills that enclose green valleys. There are many forests on our earth. Rainforests are full of flowers and birds and monkeys jumping through green-leafed trees. There are hot sandy deserts where lizards live and prickly cacti grow. There are dark, damp caves that go far down into the earth. There are tall canyons carved by years and years of rushing water. There are high, snow-capped mountains reaching up to the clouds in the sky. Our big, round earth is very beautiful. It is my home and yours. The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees, and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish, and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars, and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow, and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears, and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass, and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd. Open here for your Go Green poster. The ways I can help the earth. 1. Turn off the lights. 2. Recycle. 3. Save my leftovers. 4. Be nice to the worms. 5. Share a book. 6. Plant a tree. 7. Use both sides of the paper. 8. Save water. 9. Clean up trash.